Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P059F indicates a malfunction within the shutter grille assembly of the Honda Accord 2023 model. The shutter grille is an essential component that helps in controlling aerodynamic drag and improving fuel efficiency. It is located at the front of the vehicle, typically behind the grille or in front of the radiator. When a mechanical failure is identified, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, records this DTC to signify an abnormality. The PCM is a computer that manages engine components and functions. Understanding this error is crucial for timely repairs to prevent further engine performance issues and ensure optimal vehicle operation. The shutter grille assembly is crucial in managing airflow to the engine, improving fuel efficiency and aerodynamic performance. It is typically located at the front of the vehicle, behind the grille. This assembly operates by adjusting its position in response to the vehicle's speed and engine temperature, allowing for optimal airflow. If mechanical failure occurs, the PCM detects this malfunction and logs the DTC P059F. This detection is critical because it can lead to issues such as decreased fuel efficiency and increased engine temperatures. Immediate inspection and diagnosis are necessary to identify the extent of the damage to the assembly for appropriate repairs. Several potential causes can lead to the P059F error code. First, a mechanical failure within the shutter grille assembly could obstruct its operation. The assembly might be physically damaged or blocked by foreign material, preventing it from functioning correctly. Second, if there is an electrical failure, the LIN, local interconnect network communication, may not relay signals properly between the PCM and the shutter grille actuator. Third, a voltage failure can occur if the system does not receive the required voltage levels, which may indicate issues with the circuitry or wiring. Lastly, a temperature failure could signal that the shutter grille actuator is overheating, requiring further inspection and possible replacement. Drivers may notice several symptoms when the P059F DTC is triggered. One significant issue is reduced fuel efficiency, which can occur due to improper airflow management. Additionally, increased engine temperatures may be apparent, as the grille's failure can prevent necessary cooling for the engine components. Unusual noises or vibrations might also arise, indicating that the shutter grille system is not functioning correctly. These symptoms suggest problems that may affect the vehicle's overall performance and necessitate prompt attention to avoid long-term damage to the engine. The first step in troubleshooting the P059F code involves starting the engine to initiate the diagnostic process. Once the engine is running, you will perform an initial visual inspection of the shutter grille assembly. Look for any obvious physical damage, such as cracks, dents, or foreign obstructions. This visual check is essential because it can immediately indicate if the grille is malfunctioning due to mechanical issues. Any signs of wear and tear should be documented for further analysis. If the external inspection reveals no visible damage, you will proceed to check the electrical and operational aspects of the shutter grille system. In this second troubleshooting step, focus on assessing the condition of the shutter grille. Carefully examine the assembly for any foreign objects or materials that may hinder its operation. This can include debris, dirt, or anything that could block its movement. Check for physical damage that could impede function, like bent components or loose fasteners. If any abnormal conditions are identified, they need to be addressed first. The functionality of the shutter grille is vital for the engine's performance. Thus, any damage could disrupt airflow and cooling processes, potentially leading to engine overheating or reduced efficiency. If the grille appears intact, continue with further electrical inspections. The third step in troubleshooting requires disconnecting the shutter grille connector, specifically the 4P connector. Once disconnected, perform a circuit inspection to check both the power supply and the ground circuits. Start with inspecting the +B shutter grille for proper voltage levels. It's essential to confirm that the circuit is delivering the appropriate battery voltage. It should typically be around 12 volts in normal working conditions. If voltage is absent or inconsistent, this indicates a fault in the power supply or wiring leading to the shutter grille assembly. Any abnormalities in this circuit will require further investigation to identify the source of the issue, whether it's a wiring fault, connector issue, or a malfunctioning PCM. The final repair verification step is crucial to ensure that all repairs made have resolved the underlying issues causing the P059F diagnostic trouble code. Begin by carefully reconnecting all components that were previously disconnected during the troubleshooting process. Once everything is reconnected, use a diagnostic scanner to clear any stored DTCs from the PCM. After clearing the codes, conduct a test drive under various conditions to ensure that the shutter grille is functioning properly. Monitor for any return of the DTC or related symptoms, such as unusual engine performance or noises. This step helps verify that repairs were effective and ensures the vehicle operates as intended. In conclusion, addressing the P059F diagnostic trouble code involves thorough inspection and verification of the shutter grille assembly. This component is crucial in controlling airflow and enhancing fuel efficiency, and any malfunction can lead to significant performance issues. Understanding the potential mechanical and electrical failures highlighted in the earlier slides is essential for effective problem diagnosis. Symptoms such as reduced fuel efficiency and increased engine temperatures serve as indicators for needed repairs. Quick action and proper repair processes are necessary to ensure optimal vehicle performance and to prevent further complications that could arise from a malfunctioning shutter grille system. Regular inspections can be beneficial in early detection and proactive maintenance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.